Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can complete quests on your mobile phone. So right now there is a specific quest where you need to actually complete it on your mobile app. It won't work if you're on the PC app for some reasons. It is the Venom avatar, I think. Yeah, the claim a Marvel Snap Venom avatar decoration. You need to watch a video, but you need to do it on your mobile app. So go to your profile here, go to the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you are going to go to the settings area here on the top right corner, the gear area. Then you are going to go to building settings. There's a quest tab here. You're going to select it. And as you can see, there is this one, the Symbiote Spider-Man quest. It expires soon on the 10th of June. That rhymes. Anyways, you're just going to accept quest and then you're just going to watch the trailer, I think. Confirm. Just going to wait for it to load. Once you're done watching the video, you're just going to select claim reward, select confirm again, and then that's it. You can automatically equip it or not. Just select use now to instantly equip it. You can also instantly download the app if you want to in the download section, but I'm just going to press the X here and I'm just going to select view reward to see it. Okay. Now I'm just going to go back to my profile, and as you can see, I already have the Venom avatar decoration on for free. If you want to keep your avatar decorations, you could if you have Nitro, but you do have to pay for it. But this is a free way to get this avatar decoration on the Discord mobile app. As you can see here, well, it's already there, but yeah, anyways, that is it for this video. Again, if you want to find quests, you can just go to settings here, and then under building settings, there will be like a quest button for you to select. Obviously, the ones like Marvel Rivals, you do need to play it on your laptop, PC, whatever it is. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!